Hi do-it-yourselfers, I'm Bob and this is my Macan GTS 2018. Today I'm talking about windshields, and you're probably wondering why I'm talking about something as boring as windshields. Well, it's to do with all those sensors right in there. Rain sensor, lane keep assist, lane change assist, and I think those are the three that are in there. They have to be calibrated. I realize that windshields are boring, but this one took a chip and it's cracking now right into the driver's view. Winter's coming up, so I'm going to get it replaced. But the trick was, or is, getting it done so that they can recalibrate those sensors. I talked to Porsche and they actually outsource the glass, but you have to get the car back into Porsche so they can recalibrate. So I found someone that's a glass company that does it. They use a Bosch item. They say they've never had any issues, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. So I'm going to give them a try. So here I am inside the Macan. I just wanted to start it up to show you there's no warnings or issues or anything. Just to make sure that after the windshield calibration, everything goes fine. So next time we'll check in and see how well the windshield change was. Okay, got the new windshield in. Looks really good. I just wanted to start it up and make sure we got all the bells and whistles. Assist. There you go. Active safe is on. Lane change assist. Lane keep, that's what I wanted. And warning volume is low. Okay. So we are good. Interesting thing about the glass. There was a guy in there that was getting his Acura glass changed at the same time, and the tech told him that he had to take it for a drive to make sure that it works and it's calibrated, whereas he said with Porsches, basically there's a board that they put up in front of the sensors and then run the Bosch tool to do the calibration there. And he said it's all calibrated up and it worked fine using the Bosch product. So now it's just a matter of getting my camera mounted over there on the right side. So it's good. Happy with the results so far. Later.